Who did this? Why this? So only I'm telling, don't touch that part. Shall we start our work, please? Good morning, Anvi. Better focus in your work. Don't do this and that work. I don't want to waste my time because other works are there. Come on. To start the work, please. Get ready. I am very fine, Anvi. So now we are going to start polynomial revision. Get ready for it, please. Giving the link fast, please. Okay, I'm starting. Sharmila, good evening, beta. Sorry, good morning. Now, please kindly inform in the group that the session started and I'm going to start the work. Please, first in polynomial section, polynomial will always be here, quadratic polynomial. In your syllabus, what is there is quadratic polynomial. Another thing is, for polynomial, when they will be asking you, polynomial, quadratic polynomial means it will be written in the form of p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. And always we are exactly talking about parabolic mouth upward. So when a will be negative, the moment you are going for a, the coefficient of x square, when coefficient of x square, a will be greater than 0, means a is positive. Then parabolic mouth will be up. The moment it will be down, then parabolic mouth will be down. So here you need to remember this one. So when you will be talking about this, it is exactly coming as minus ax square plus bx plus c. So that means the coefficient of x square, it is less than 0. That means a is negative. A is negative. I hope you might have understood. So one A is positive and A is negative. Come on, quickly inform in your group that class started. Quickly inform in your group that class started. No time, please. Yeah. Done? Now look here. So next part we are going to do. So if somebody will be asking you A is less than 0 means A is coming as negative. More than 0 means A will be coming as positive. Okay, positive negative part we have done. Shall we go for the next part? So here in polynomial, whole short revision I am giving, just please pay attention here. So some of the questions are very important. They will be asking related to what you called roots. Roots related questions are very common and they are asking these questions. So before that, let's solve some important questions. Ready? Ready? Don't do that type of games. 1 minute over. You need to understand here everything is countable. Now, if somebody will be asking you, please pay attention, Kavya. Hi, Kavya. So here, if you will be seeing that this is exactly touching this part and this section is coming as 4 root 0, 4 value 0, and then it is minus 3 comma 0. Can you tell me what and all are the roots? By seeing these sections, what is your assumption here? Vertex point minus 3 minus 5. So turning point is minus 3 and minus 5. Hi everyone. Time is not there, Peter, so I'm just discussing. So how many roots are there for this equation? 3 roots. See, how many places it is cutting, you need to see this. First is, it is exactly touching into how many regions? It is exactly touching into 3 points. You need to check only on x-axis, not on y-axis. So roots are exactly, how many roots are there? 2 roots are there. Because exactly it is touching 2 points. So it is exactly having how many roots? 2 roots. Don't get don't misunderstand this part, and then don't get confused in these sections. You be very clear that how many the curve will be touching, how many times x-axis, that many zeros will be there. That many zeros will be there when the curve will be touching. How many times the curve will be touching? That many times the zero will be there. How many times the curve will be touching? That many times zero. So the curve will touch which axis? X-axis. Because here you are dealing with what? Y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. So when you will be, hello Rohit. So here, that's the most important point. So how many times the curve will be touching, that many points. Understood? So here, you need to understand all these sections. So now come on, we will go for the next question. Are you ready for it? No unwanted questions here and there, and just go very specific to the point. When the mouth will be inverted ulta, what you are going to say there? The coefficient of x square is negative. When it is positive means a will be positive upwards. Understood? So positive and negative sections, I hope everybody understood. Jitendra, good evening beta. Sorry, good morning Jitendra. So please pay attention for most important questions, coefficient related questions, and other questions I am going to show you today. Right, first question everyone. So when they will be asking you like these type questions, curve, like when they will be asking you this, y is equal to f of x, then how many zeros are there? How many zeros are there, Anu? Hello? How many zeros are there? When y will be equal to f of x, how many zeros are there? Come on, say. How many zeros are there when y is equal to f of x? The correct answer is 1. The correct answer is 1. Why the correct answer will be 1? Because when you will be writing y is equal to f of x, actually x-axis intercept you are going to check. Which axis intercept you are going to check? X-axis intercept you are going to check. And here in x-axis, it is only touching one time. So since on x-axis it is touching only one time, so only 1 0 is there. But if the same question will be twisted, and if the same question will turn and come like this, x is equal to f of y. Please focus here. X is equal to f of y. Now you have to check y axis. Now you have to check y axis. Now when x is equal to f of y, now you go for y axis, and in y axis 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means what? You need to understand this, analyze it very nicely. If y is equal to f of x given, y is equal to f of x given means 1 0. If x is equal to f of y given, 4 zeros are there. So 4 solutions are there. So that you need to be very acquainted, and you need to be very, very clear when you will be solving these type of questions. I hope you might have understood this one. So is there any scope of any problem, doubt, this thing, that thing? No. Make it very clear. Yes. When y will be equal to f of x, 1. When x will be equal to f of y, 4. Understood? So one shot. When y will be equal to f of x, remember this one. When y will be equal to f of x, check which axis? X-axis. Check which axis? X-axis. And when x will be equal to f of y, which axis you need to check? Y-axis. Y-axis, how many times the curve is touching? Y-axis, how many times the curve is touching or crossing, whatever. Okay? So that's what you need to remember. I hope you might have understood. Yes, this is the most important section we need to do. Come on, we will go for the next part, please. Yes. So we will be winding up this one section. So polynomial definition, already you know, linear polynomial, constant polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, different type of polynomials are there. So now since we are doing a revision, now I am giving you one question. Please solve this question very nicely. Some of the questions which is very, very important, please kindly note down, write down question. Are you ready? I hope all the blessing school I informed you. Just inform your friends to be here, okay? One question I am asking everybody answer. What should be the maximum number of zeros of a cubic polynomial? What should be the maximum number of zeros of a cubic polynomial? The maximum number of zeros of a cubic polynomial. Come on, go for it. Maximum number of zeros for a cubic polynomial. Maximum number of zeros for a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial maximum number of zeros will be what? No, chapter 13 and 14 is not there. Maximum number of zeros of a cubic polynomial. Kavya, very good. Well done. The maximum number of zeros of a cubic polynomial is 3. Understood? The maximum number of zeros of a cubic polynomial is 3. Absolutely correct. Very good. Well done. Now we are going to solve the next question. Are you ready for it? Question is, note down the question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial, if alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomials, so these three are there. These three are different polynomials, okay? And alpha and beta are zeros of all these polynomials. Then what can be alpha plus beta for first case? What can be alpha plus beta for second case? What can be alpha plus beta for third case? Please do it. What can be alpha plus beta for first case? What can be alpha plus beta for second case? What can be alpha plus beta for third case? Come on, go for it, please. Alpha plus beta for first case, second case, third case, whatever is there. Come on, go for it. What is the answer? Come on. First, to put yourself in live because you people are not live right now. So only you are giving answers so late. For first one, when you will be solving for first one, what is for first one is x square minus 3x plus 2. So we'll take it as p of x. So you know that this is, if you compare it with ax square plus bx plus c, a is coming as 1, b is coming as minus 3, and c is coming as 2. So alpha plus beta is sum of the zeros. Sum of the zero formula is minus b by a. So it is coming minus of minus 3 by 1. So first answer is coming as 3. Absolute. First answer is coming as 3. Elevation second answer. Second part is written as x square plus 1. That means x square plus 0 into x plus 1. When nothing written means x square plus 0 into x plus 1. So when this part will be there, then what you are going to write? Here it will become general equation ax square plus bx plus c. So here what is a? A is coming as 1, b is coming as 0, and c is coming as 1. So that means alpha plus beta formula is minus b by a. That is minus 0 by 1. Answer is coming as 0. So first answer is 3. Second answer is 0. And third answer is, come on, you should be doing before me. You are taking so much of time. You should be doing before me. So third answer, what it will come? So x square plus 4x plus 0 is there. Then alpha plus beta, directly if you will compare it with general equation, ax square plus bx plus c. What is a value? 1. What is b value? 4. What is c value? 0. So it will become minus b by a. It is minus 4 by 1. So answer is minus 4. Third answer is coming as minus 4. Mahalakshmi, 4 is not the answer. Minus 4 will be the answer. Third answer is coming as minus 4. So this is the second part. Third answer is coming as minus 4. Okay, very good. So third answer part is coming as minus 4. So I hope you will be able to do this question. Will you be able to do? So if somebody will be asking you about this one, x square minus 1. In this same case, x square minus 1. This is the fourth question, x square minus 1. Then tell me what is the value of alpha plus beta. X square, understood na Ilavarsan? X square minus 1, inform Veda and all. Where is Joshua and all? I can't understand. Yashwant, Joshua. The answer is coming as what? The answer is coming as 0. The answer is coming as 0. Why? Because look here, x square plus 0 into x minus 1. So if you compare it with general equation, ax square plus bx plus c, a value is coming as 1, b value is coming as 0, and c value is coming as minus 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, so minus 0 by 1. So answer is coming as 0. Did you understood it? So answer will be coming as 0. Answer will be coming as 0. I hope you might have understood. Answer part will be coming as 0. Done. We'll go for the next one, please. Okay. Next question is, another pattern questions are there. So different pattern questions are also we are going to solve. Now next pattern question I'm giving you, please kindly note down. Question is, go for it. If 2 and 1 by 2 are the zeros of, if 2 and 1 by 2 are the zeros of, if 2 and 1 by 2 are the Vasant, Joshua, Veda is there. If 2 and 1 by 2 are the zeros of px square plus 5x plus r, then find p and r. Then p and r will be equal to what? Come on, go for it, please. What will be the value of p and r? Come on, go for it. Good morning. P value is, P and Q value both are coming as minus 2. What you are speaking, I don't know, beta. Just speak normal. Huh? P and Q are, Rajendran, huh? P and Q are? P value will be coming as, see, look here. Alpha you will be taking as 2 and beta you will be taking as 1 by 2. So you need to understand that when you are writing alpha plus beta, it will come minus 5 by p. Done? Now alpha is 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by p. Got it? So when MCQs you are solving, how you are going to go for it? So here it will become 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So it will become 5 by 2 equal to minus p by 5. So p will be equal to minus 5 into 2 by 5. Answer will be coming as minus 2. This is MCQ questions. Understood? So when they will be asking you, okay. So when you will be talking about alpha into beta, when alpha into beta you are doing, then it will be coming as r by t. Done? So 2 into 1 by 2, it will go, r is what in shortest way, what you are going to write, r will be as it will be minus 2. So r is also coming as minus 2. So in very short, you need to answer the question. So here it is coming as, I am not checking any, I'm not in any social site, I'm not having time. I'm preparing for what you call. I'm doing PhD. First thing. Second is I'm teaching. 2 coaching centers I'm running. Third thing, when I'm going getting time means I'm now teaching the CTET students. So those who are preparing for CTET means teachers eligibility test. I'm teaching them maths, science, and pedagogy. So when I will be having time, you say. Since I'm doing PhD, this thing, that thing, teaching maths to 9 to 12 students, ninth and 10th, I'm teaching science, then I'm doing PhD work. After doing that time, I'm teaching teachers to go for eligibility tests. Then where I am, tell me. Night and mouth open and sleeping. Understood? A social site means how it will be. Now, come on, understood this? Now, let's go for the next question, please. Now, this is one pattern question, beta. Now, another pattern question for MCQs. Now, look here. So, if one of the zeros of polynomial, f of x is equal to, write down this question very nicely for MCQ. Don't waste too much time. X square, k square plus 4, x square, k square plus 4, x square plus 13x plus 13x plus 4k. Understood? So here what is the question given to you is, the question given to you is, if one of the zeros of polynomial, if one of the zeros of polynomial, if one of the zeros of polynomial is reciprocal of the other, is reciprocal of the other, is reciprocal of the other. Understood? Then you need to find the value of k. This is maximum MCQ only coming. Don't waste your time. Understood? So you need to find the value of k. So alpha is reciprocal of beta. Alpha is reciprocal of beta. Like that you need to take and solve. Alpha is reciprocal. Alpha is reciprocal of beta. Come on, go for it. Maha, I think you have sent me the answer. I got your answer. Come on, go for it. So how we are going to deal with this question? Don't waste time. General equation. So in shortcut way, k square plus 4. I am writing. You write directly. Plus 13x plus 4k is there. Okay. Compare it with general equation. Ax square plus bx plus c. A will be equal to k square plus 4. B will be equal to 13. C will be equal to 4k. That's it. Now go for directly the shortest one. What is the shortest one? Alpha into, because here alpha is reciprocal of beta, means what is alpha, and it will be coming as 1 by alpha. In short, we can write, because alpha is reciprocal of beta, then alpha is reciprocal of beta means beta will be equal to 1 by alpha. Beta will be equal to 1 by alpha. What will be beta? 1 by alpha. Beta will be equal to 1 by alpha. So directly we will go for the product of it. So the product of it will become this, and it will be equal to C by A. So here this and this will be cancelled. 1 is equal to C is 4k and A is k square plus 4. That's its story over. From here you can multiply that part. So k square plus 4 is equal to 4k. So k square minus 4k plus 4 equal to 0. So k minus 2 whole square equal to 0. K value is coming as 2. So option you are going to directly hit as Rishabh. So K is coming as 2. Directly understood or not? So K value will come as 2. Please practice this question. This is a very good question. Please do it nicely. Huh? So this is what we need to solve like that. So ax square plus bx plus c. Now you need to know that a, b. So since it is reciprocal, we will not be going for alpha plus 1 by alpha. We will be going for alpha into 1 by alpha. Understood? That is the product part. Product part is coming as alpha into 1 by alpha means it will cancel. 1 will be coming as c by a. What is the value of c? 4k. What is the value of a? K square plus 4. And with that, we can be able to solve in no time. Understood? That's why, because it is coming as complete. You see, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, and directly we are getting the value k is equal to 2. I hope you might have understood this one. Easy question for class 10th. It is not easy, boss. What you are thinking? Many students, they will not solve this also. First, we have to start with easy. Got it? Now, better write the next question. Question is, done this one? So you understood now how you are going to deal with. So when they will be asking you a question to find the value of k, you need to, because alpha, one of the root is reciprocal of the other. Means beta will become 1 by alpha. Search the easiest path and get the answer. Got it? Now we will go for the next question. Please kindly note down the next question. Which of the following equation Which of the following equation has the sum of its root roots as 3? Okay, so when they will give you, options will be given to you. Minus x square plus 3x minus 3. First part equal to 0. Second section is, come on, go for it. X square, 2x square minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Third part will be given to you as 3x square 3x square minus 3x plus 3 will be equal to 0. And fourth option, you can write any one here, root 2 minus 3 by root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now come on, tell me what is the correct answer. Which of the following equation has sum of its root as 3? Sum of its root as 3. Come on, say the option, because I've given the option. You have 4 options. Anyone will come as the correct answer. Which of the following equation has sum of its root as 3? Okay, Maha has given the answer first. Okay. No, 3. This is root 2. This is root 2 and this one is root 3. But they are telling roots as 3. Roots as 3. Please understand. Roots as 3 is means zeros. That's solution. They're talking about solution. So Ilavarsan has given option C. Nishant has given option A. What is the correct answer? Many people are telling C, A. Come on, start answering the question. Yeah, you people are taking so much of time. Anu Harini has given answer as A. Now come on. Now let's check this one out. How to write this as? Okay. So sum of the, you know that sum of the zeros are alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by A. Done? Now here they are telling that alpha plus beta should be coming as 3. Alpha plus beta should be coming as 3. Rishabh, now it is correct. Alpha plus beta is coming as 3. How it is? Compare this one. So when you will be finding it as, just write ax square plus bx plus c. What is a here? A is minus 1. What is B here? 3. What is C here? Minus 3. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A. And B value is 3 and A value is minus 1. So minus minus cancel, answer is coming as 3. Bingo. First shot itself, you got A as the answer. Then why we are going to search for others? And here others, if you are writing, 3 by 2 is coming. 3 by 3, 1 is coming. 3 by root 2 by root 3 is coming. So 100% they are cancelled. So the correct answer is first one. I hope you might have understood this one. Like these questions they are asking, that's not a very tough question. Now we'll be going for little tricky questions. I hope till here everybody understood. Yes, for easy questions also, sometimes they are not able to solve. So for solving, we need to go to that level also. Understood? Now, one easy question I'm giving you. This question should be done with no time, because like this type questions coming means you must be solving it as fast as possible. Got it? Now the question is ready for the next question. Please write down the question. If minus 5, if minus 5 is the root of quadratic equation, is the root of quadratic polynomial, quadratic equation, this is quadratic equation question. Okay, quadratic equation is the root of quadratic equation 2x square plus px minus 15 equal to 0, then the quadratic equation p x square plus x plus k equal to 0 has e- equal roots. Find k. Come on, solve it. Like these questions are coming in exam. Quadratic type, I will explain quadratic. This question of polynomial, I gave you in quadratic part. Minus 5 is the yes, the polynomial. See, what is zeros? The zeros are the solutions. The zeros are nothing but the solutions, and that satisfies the equation. The zeros are nothing but the solutions, and they are satisfying the equation. That's the clue for you. Yeah, that is the core clue for you. Get it? Huh? K is coming as 6. Anyone? What is the value of P first? Give me the value of P. If you will get the value of P, then only we will talk about. Maha has given the answer. Okay, I'll go for it, please. Please check there. Minus 5 is the root. So that means what? 2x square, when you are solving this question, 2x square plus px minus 15 equal to 0. We'll take it as equation 1. Now, since x equal to minus 5 is the zeros of polynomial, they will use the word root also. That means it will satisfy the polynomial. 100% it is going to satisfy the polynomial. But here it is not polynomial, we are solving quadratic. Is the zeros of, it is the solution. Na? So roots means it is the zeros of QE. That means it will satisfy the quadratic equation and will make it equal to 0. So satisfying means we have to write x equal to minus 5. So here it will become 2 into minus 5 whole square plus p into minus 5 minus 15 equal to 0. Now here 25 plus 25 into 2 50 minus 5p equal to 15 plus 15. So here 50 directly we will write 50 minus 15 equal to 5p. So how much it is coming? 35 or 45? 35 by 5 is equal to P. So P is coming as 7. Now P is coming as 7. This is one part. This is P value. You need to find the value of K. You need to find the value of k. Understood? You need to find the value of k. Happy birthday, Risa. You need to find the value of k. So now here, p is coming as x square plus x plus k equal to 0. The moment you are writing p square, understood or not? Now p is equal to p x square plus x plus k. So once you have written this one, p value is coming as 7. So it will come 7x square plus 7x plus k equal to 0. Understood? Now what they are telling that you need to find the value of k when the discriminant part is coming 0, equal roots, when the roots are equal. So when roots will be equal, you need to please remember this part. When roots will be equal, when roots are equal, then D will be equal to 0. Discriminant part will be equal to 0. Discriminant part will be equal to 0. Huh? Yes, sir. This section. This one. See, you did nothing. Two equations given to you. In one equation, you got the value of P. From here, you got the value of P. In second equation, you just substituted the value of P. The value of P came 7. So it will become 7x square plus 7x plus k. It came what? Yes, absolutely. So D will be equal to 0. So D is equal to 0 means now you compare it with general equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the value of A coming? 7. What is the value of B coming? 7. What is the value of C? K. Now discriminant is equal to 0 given. So once the discriminant is equal to 0 given, that means B square minus 4AC equal to 0. So 7 square minus 4 into 1 into K is equal to 0. Now check, A is what? 7 now. Check here. B square is 7 square minus 4 into A into K. So now finally what answer we are going to get? Come on, check this one out. So it is coming as 49 minus 28K is equal to 0. So 49 by 28 is equal to K. 7 7 is 49, so 7 by K is coming as 7 by 4. Anyone got 7 by 4? Uh, uh, 7 by 4, yes. I hope you might have understood. So it is k is coming as 7 by 4. So now we will be solving next level questions. So now this is type of questions we are exactly expecting for polynomial side. So most of the time polynomial questions will be coming like this only. Nowadays polynomials they are adding in what you call in case study questions. Understood? So any case study question is coming, that time they will be adding this type of questions only. I hope you might have understood. Minus 7 by 4. Maha, please check one time. I hope you might have understood. Now look here, many times now they will be asking some questions like they will be giving you a polynomial and they will be asking that coefficient, which coefficient will be negative, which coefficient will be positive. So general formulas already we have discussed like that type of questions. Okay. So now one, two little questions we are going to do. In that part we are going to solve and uh, seriously, I'm not going to say anything today because I have to give revision to class 12th also. They're also having exams. I'm waiting for them to start the session. No comments, please. You want to give comments means I'm power. Now, beta, one small shot I am going to discuss. आप कौन हो? मैं इंसान हूँ. Now look here. If you will be getting this one, then you need to explain one thing to me. How many? What will be the vertex? What will be the expected vertex? मैं क्या बोलूं बताओ, इससे ज्यादा क्या बता सकते? Come on, give me, trace out this value. If ax square plus bx plus c. Come on, go for it. Options are minus b by 2a, 0, b by 2a, 0, b by a, 0, b minus b by a, 0. चलो कर ही डालो तुम लोग. I gave options also. Perfect square. Remember perfect square logic. Hey. मेरा नाम खुशबू चौरसिया है. मैं अभी पीएचडी कर रही हूँ मैथमेटिक्स में. मेरा बेसिक पेपर है ग्राफ थ्योरी. मैं 2 कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट चला रही हूँ. आई एम द फाउंडर एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ अमिया कोचिंग. आई एम द वन हु स्टार्टेड यूट्यूब चैनल. और कुछ बताना था. हाँ, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फॉर CTET ऑल्सो एंड आई हैव CTET cleared. I got state rank in BSc, MSc, and my basic papers. I am the honor student. Anything else? मास्टर्स कर लिया, बीएड भी कर लिया, डिस्टिंक्शन होल्डर इन बीएड एंड 98 होल्डर इन चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी. और कुछ? CTET is clear. Teaching in Blessing Internationals, higher secondary. Right now running 2 coaching institutes. Yes. So when you will see the graph here, A is greater than 0. You must remember one thing. When A will be greater than 0, you need only one clue. When the mouth is up, A is greater than 0. That particular moment, A is greater than 0. You just close your eyes and say it will be minus B by 2A comma 0. Answer is A. Come on, do it. Note down. Understood? So here it is coming as minus b by 2a comma 0. Come on, write down. We don't have time here. That logic of parabolic curve already we have studied. It's not b, it's a. It's not b, it's a. Come on. And the same thing if they will be giving you for down like this, it will come minus b by 2a comma 0. Everything will be there, but a will be less than 0. So read the question very particularly. If they have given this one, then to this answer will come. Don't go for plus, okay? If they have given this one, a greater than 0, then to this part will come. So please remember, yes, absolutely correct. The correct answer is A. Now, can we go for the next one? When the vertex, the parabola vertex, because this is some things where it is very, very confusing for students, and you will be writing something wrong and coming and saying, hey, I did it. You will be very pleased. I did everything correct, but it's not correct. Okay. So now another one, when you will see the curve, now please respond to this very particularly. When this part will be there, the parabola will be cutting at 2 points A and A dash. Okay. Now your equation given to you is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now what is the vertex point? What will be the vertex point? Can you tell me what will be the vertex point? Shortest way of finding the vertex. There must be one formula for finding the vertex. Now, till now I taught you now. A part is coming as, just closer as I said, minus b by 2a. X value will be coming as vertex for finding. And then D. Second one is minus d by 4a. Minus d by 4a. Shortest way we are going to remember. Why we are going to do that much? Okay. So, and where you are going to find? What is B? B is this one. What is A? A is this one. What is C? What is D? D is B square minus 4AC. That's it. Got it? Now this part A is greater than 0. Understood? So here it will be minus B by 2A, comma minus D by 4A. And here A is greater than 0. If same case will be coming in board exam is what? What you are going to? You're going to cry? No. Again, the vertex point will be coming as what? See, I did one mistake. Here, vertex point, the moment the vertex point will be on y-axis, x value will become 0. Understood? But if it is away from y-axis, that time, just I'm not going to change it, otherwise everything will change. Now, pay attention here. If like this situation is there, Then this point and this point will be there. The vertex point they are asking. What will be the vertex point? Say. Shortest way. Minus b by 2a minus b by 4a and a is less than 0. That's it. A will be less than 0. So this is one simplest thing we are going to understand. Again, so these are exactly two solutions are there. Did you notice there in both all the cases? Yes, the graph is parabolic. That's the most important thing. When parabolic, see, whenever you are talking about polynomial, in CBSE, quadratic polynomial and cubic square, what you call, these two are there. Got it? Quadratic and cubic is there. But now in CBSE, what we are dealing with is only quadratic. Sometimes in NCERT book, cubic polynomial is given. That is up to you. In cubic polynomial, 3 solutions, 3 zeros will be there. 3 zeros will be there. Understood? In that time, sum will be what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. So just one time I'm discussing that section. In case your luck is very bad, I don't want that. I want lucky factors from all of you. So please kindly pay attention there. If they will be writing like ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d will be there. Come on, understood. So this is a quadratic polynomial. P of x will be there. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma will be what? Minus b by a. Then alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma will be equal to c by a. Then alpha beta gamma will be equal to d by a. So this is the three cases, and based on that only we are solving the questions. I hope you might have understood. Now we will be going for the next one. So these are different cases when we are exactly tracing the graphs. Mostly they will be asking like that only. Okay. Yes, sometimes they will be asking typical questions. So we need to check the solutions. We need to check where the coefficients are positive and negative. Generally, coefficient of x square, they'll be asking b or c. It's totally up to the wish of CBSE, but we have to prepare our worst. I'm always telling prepare for the worst. Got it? Then sum and product. If they will say that sum of the zeros are -5 and product is 7, sum of the zeros are -5 and product is 7. Just randomly I'm taking one question. Sum of the zeros are -5 and product is 7. Then frame the quadratic polynomial. So what you are going to, how you are going to frame it with? How you are going to frame it with? Come on, say. So sum is exactly how much? -5 and product is 7. Oh, Blessing School, where are you all? Please kindly say the answer. Huh? Ayo, you need to write the answer. Just tell me what it is there. Always write k here. I told you, na, k is constant. So whatever plus minus will be there, k is going to take care of that. So it will become x square minus of, because the formula is what? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. This is the formula. This is the formula for framing a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is framed with this formula, boss. So what you are, where you are going? Quadratic polynomial will be framed with this formula, na? Kx square minus alpha plus beta x into plus alpha into beta. So now when you are framing it, what you are going to write? Alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros are -5. So you just write here -5x and the product is given as 7. So 7. So what will be the answer? K x square plus 5x plus 7. That's it. Story over. And sometimes they are not putting k. They will just write x square plus 5x plus 7. That's it. Don't do much work. These are the most easiest question. Since I'm giving revision means I'm giving the whole short revision. So now one question is there. Please kindly solve this question. Ready? Maha, did you understood this part? From polynomial, we are expecting some questions like this. Yes, absolutely correct, ma'am. Now we are going to solve some questions. Let's see another level question. See, last 2010 they have asked question, 2009 they have asked question. Nowadays they are giving only MCQ questions from polynomial. Polynomial chapter means MCQ graphs they are giving. 2019 one question they have given. I'm just showing you 2019 question. Just remember this one. So they have given QY equal to, come on, write this one. QY is equal to 7y square minus 11 by 3y minus 11 by 3y minus 2 by 3. Minus 11 by 3y minus 2 by 3. 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 Minus 2 Yeah. Now maximum what they are going to tell, you have to find the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. What is sum of the zeros and product of the zeros? See, nothing is there in the question. Sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. Then polynomial you are tracing it, you need to just go with this. Sum of the zeros and product of the zero. Is it very difficult to trace out? Come on, go for it. Sum of the zeros and product of the zero. Sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. You can do it, boss. Nothing is there in the question. So quickly do one thing. Don't waste your time. This is the most important thing in board exam. What is most precious thing is ay square plus by plus c. Just I will write in short. A will be equal to 7, b will be equal to minus 11 by 3, and c will be equal to minus 2 by 3. Done. So sum is coming as how much? So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So what is b? Minus of minus 11 by 3 by 7. So it is coming 11 by 3 into 1 by 7. So 11 by 21. Absolute. Very good. Second one, alpha into beta is C by A. And that's what alpha into beta is C by A. That is minus 2 by 3 by 7 by 1. So minus, sorry, C by A, correct na? So here it will come minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 7, minus 2 by 21. Anyone got minus 2 by 21? Absolute Maha, super. That's what. Minus 2 by 21 and 7, 11 by 21. That's it. That's it. Maximum. Maximum. Relax out. Alpha plus beta means some of the school examination they are writing questions. In that question pattern, what they are asking, I'm giving you that also. This is a pattern question for 2 marks, not more than that. So we need to solve those questions. Understood everyone or not? Little bit I will turn this side means you will start talking. Nice. Now look here. Question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial, if alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial, if alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial, polynomial given is f of x is equal to, polynomial given is 2x square minus 5x plus 7, then find a polynomial whose zeros are, find a polynomial whose zeros are, now you need to find the polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha plus 3 beta and 3 alpha plus 2 beta. Always they will try to give like this type of question. Nothing is there in this question. And you know what? Nowadays, now these questions are coming in MCQ. The worst part is now they will be putting these two type of questions in MCQs. Here also they will be dealing with MCQ only. Is it a tough question? Nothing. It is not at all a tough question. The polynomial whole shot, just these are not the question. Before examination I will be coming with 50-50 question, 50 MCQs, 10 assertion reason, 2-3 case studies, because mostly polynomial questions sometimes they are kicking to case study also. 3 case study coming means definitely polynomial or quadratic they will be catching one. Next part is surface area and volume, they are going to touch one. So like that, it's randomly coming, we can't be sure. Come on, go for it please. Can I solve or you want to solve? Then go for it. Is this question that much tough? The question is exactly alpha and beta, the zeros are polynomial. F of x is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is given to you. Okay. Now, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus of minus 5 by 2. That it is coming as 5 by 2. Alpha into beta is 7 by 2. Done. Keep it. Now, you have to frame a new quadratic polynomial whose zeros are, so to frame the new quadratic polynomial, I'm writing in short, you must write everything. To frame the new quadratic polynomial, what we have to frame is the new quadratic polynomial. In that, these are the roots. So sum means sum of zeros is 2 alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 alpha plus 2 beta will be equal to what? 2, 3, 5 alpha plus 5 beta. So 5 take common, it is coming alpha plus beta. And alpha plus beta value is 5 by 2. So 5 into 5 by 2, it will come 25 by 2. 5 into 5 by 2, how much it is coming? 25 by 2. Maha, view, people are seriously sleeping or what? Now here, next one is coming as 2 alpha plus 3 beta. Product only and 3 alpha plus 2 beta. So when you are going to multiply this one, are you going to cry for multiplication? No. Here you need to be very, very clearly, you need to understand one thing. Here 2, 3, 6 alpha square. Then 2 2s are 4 alpha beta. Then here 3 3s are 9 alpha beta plus 3 2s are 6 beta square. Come on. Check this one out nicely. 6 alpha square plus how much it is coming? 13 alpha beta plus 6 beta square. See, 13 alpha beta, you keep it as it is. Now, alpha square and beta square need treatment. Okay. So, what type of medicine it needing? Alpha square plus beta square coming plus 13 alpha beta. Here only you will need some medicine for alpha square plus beta square. Quickly try to convert it because alpha plus beta value you are having, but alpha square plus beta square value you don't have. So for that, what you are going to do? So here what you are going to do is alpha square plus beta square, you add 2 alpha beta, you subtract 2 alpha beta, and then here it will become 13 alpha beta. So now it is going to become alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 13 alpha beta. Come on, one shot we are going to give this. Now it will become 6 alpha plus beta whole square minus 6 to the 12 alpha beta plus 13 alpha beta. 13 minus 12, 1. So here it will come 6 alpha plus beta whole square plus alpha beta. Calculation easy, done. So now alpha plus beta whole square value is what? Alpha plus beta is 5 by 2. So 6 into 5 by 2 whole square plus alpha beta is 7 by 2. So it will become 6 into 25 by 4, 25 by 4 plus 7 by 2. Multiply 2 up and 2 down. So 5, 6, 30, 6 to 12, 150 by 4 plus 14 by 4. So it is coming as 164 by 4. After that, if you want, you can kill it. Kill. How much it is coming? How much it is coming? 41. Got it? 41 is coming. Now directly go for the last part. So framing the quadratic equation K, what is x square minus alpha plus beta. Here it is 3 alpha plus 2 beta, 2 alpha plus some of the zeros now plus. Wow, very nice, sir. You came right now. It is coming as 3 alpha plus 2 beta, 3 alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 alpha plus 3 beta into x plus 3 alpha plus 2 beta into 2 alpha plus 3 beta. Done. Now beta, we have all the values. It is coming as, what is the value coming as? X square minus 25 by 2x. We got this one, addition, and multiplication answer is coming as 41. That's it. Check this one out. I will check that. I'm going to teach the question again. Now look here. So this was the question. The question was alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, this one. So A is 2, B is -5 and C is 7. Okay. So what we did, first we started from here. So sum of the zeros are minus of -5 by 2. So it is coming as 5 by 2. Product of the zero is 7 by 2. First what we did is we got to frame the new quadratic polynomial whose sum is 2 alpha plus 3 beta and 3 alpha plus 2 beta. So 2 plus 3 will become what? 5 and 3 plus 2 will become 5. And here it is 5 by 2. So 5 into 5 by 2 will become 25 by 2. This is done. And then in product part, what we need to do is we need to multiply both. We need to multiply both. So at the time of multiplication, 2 3s are 6 alpha square. Now 2 2s are 4 alpha beta. And now 3 3s are 9 alpha beta. Then 3 2s are 6 beta square. So now 6 we have taken out alpha square plus beta square. And here 9 plus 4 will become 13. 13 alpha beta. Now here we added 2 alpha beta and subtracted 2 alpha beta. Why? So that it will become a complete square. So it became alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 13. So here it will become 6 alpha beta whole square minus 6 to the 12. So 12 and this one will cancel alpha beta. Now 6 alpha plus beta whole square. What is your alpha and beta? Your alpha plus beta is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 whole square is 25 by 4. Got it? So I just did not did anything. I just multiplied this one with this 6 5 33. And after that 2 6 12 13 14 15. So 140 this and 2 2 multiplied. So 7 2 14 and 2 2 4. Understood? So here it will come 164 by 2. That means 4 4 is 16 41. Got it? And then I finally framed it because alpha plus beta is coming as 25 by 2 and alpha into beta means the product of the new root is coming as 41. Just noted that. So polynomial maximum they will be asking like this question. Maximum. Either they will be asking you to frame find the value of k or they will be asking you zeros or this part questions will be there. So polynomial I have finished polynomial and some of the roots product of the roots question they will be giving you. Sometimes they will give you alpha and beta value. Okay. And they will tell you to frame the quadratic polynomial. Like that questions are also going to be your favorite question. Like alpha is equal to -3 and beta is equal to 2 given. Then how to frame the quadratic polynomial? One time you need to put alpha plus beta. So -3 plus 2, what is coming? -1. Next time alpha into beta, -3 into 2, it will come as -6. So how to frame it? K is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta, x plus alpha beta. So here it will become k x square minus, it is coming as -1x plus -6. So answer is coming as k x square plus x minus 6. So this is the end of quadratic polynomial, means polynomial section maximum till here. If you will see the video, this is more than enough question for your examination right now, for your half yearly examination. Got it? This much pattern, if you will practice, see the video again one more time, you will be getting it. I'm giving you 10 minutes break. Then we will start new chapter. Which chapter you want? I will start that. Trigonometry or linear equation in two variable, because linear equation in two variable, quadratic, AP, these are three massive chapters because nearly 7 chapters we have to go for revision. I hope you might have understood this one. I'm giving a break. Second half, if I wish, I will be taking second half. So 4 chapters today's slot we are going to finish. Understood? Then we will have a massive revision of 3 more chapters, 7 or 8 chapters. How many chapters are coming? 1 to 8 chapters are coming. 2 chapters over, 6 chapters more to go. Correct, na? So 6 chapters one by one I will be giving. It's totally up to your wish. Okay.